Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by making sure Python is installed and reachable from the terminal. Confirm with Python version. Next, open Visual Studio Code and install the official Python extension so the editor recognizes environments. Once done, open your project folder and launch the integrated terminal with Control+. Now, you are ready to create a virtual environment inside the project rather than installing packages globally, which keeps dependencies isolated and reproducible. You create the environment with Python mvenv. Venv or Python mvenvenv, pick a hidden name like venv for clarity, then activate it on Windows PowerShell run, venv scripts activate, ps1 on Mac or Linux run source, venv/bin/ activate. Once activated, make sure Visual Studio Code is using that interpreter by opening the command palette and choosing Python. Select Interpreter, then pick the venv entry. This ties linting, IntelliSense, and with the venv active you can pip install packages and run your code. Test imports in the REPL to confirm. Save dependencies using pip freeze requirements. TXT so others can reproduce the setup and add venv to git ignore. If something goes wrong, for example, VS Code reports no interpreter, reload the window, confirm the extension is enabled, and verify the environment's Python executable exists and is on disk. If activation fails, check shell execution policy or use the alternative shell until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.